PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the Weather Xtreme video for Thursday morning, the 9th day of October. After a big rain for much of the state, the weather will be drying out today. Let's go to some Skycam shots around the network this morning. There's a look at our Birmingham Skycam. A little foggy out there as we look north from the top of the Daniel building. Pretty much the same deal up in Etowah County at Gadsden. Looks like fog hanging over the city there. But no fog in Walker County. There's a look at our Skycam coming from the King building in downtown Jasper. The upper trough responsible for the rain moving on to the east. Once the fog burns off, we think the sky becomes mostly sunny today as the better chance of rain shifts off to the east. The expected rain for the next 5 days, this is valid through Monday evening, showing a little sliver through here, and there could be a little increase in Atlantic moisture over the weekend with an easterly flow, but for now, we're not going to mention any chance of rain. In fact, that might be the showers we actually had last night. This graphic was set to kick in at OZ. That's 7 o'clock last night, so that's probably what that is. The big precipitation out west with a big storm cranking up. That's going to bring some heavy snow out there to parts of Utah, Wyoming, and Montana over the weekend. Quick look at the radar. You can see what lingering showers are out there are over in Georgia, and even there they are fairly scattered. Tropical weather is quiet. So let's take a look at the modeling here. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today. The upper level feature is east of Alabama. You can see the trough digging down out west. And below that, we should see a pretty decent day today. The sky becoming partly to mostly sunny. Tomorrow, once again, will be dry, mostly sunny with temperatures up in the low 80s. Cold air digs down out west, and look at that on Saturday. Big storm. Big ridge here in the east, big storm out west. Again, a high amplitude pattern. Down below that, that'll be a whopper of a snowstorm for some of the mountains out there. And again, you can see an easterly flow here, and the model tries to bring in a little Atlantic moisture. And we don't see any trigger for rain with that big upper ridge, so we're not going to mention any showers. And the same thing on Sunday. We've got this low-level easterly flow, but a strong ridge aloft. So we'll call it partly sunny over the weekend with highs around 80. Monday of next week, that cold front from the western storm is coming down across the heartland. And Tuesday, the 588 ridge holds, the trough way north. And down below that, the surface front is near Memphis. And Wednesday, it just kind of fizzles out. It's gone. So again, you can see where we might mention just the chance of a shower Tuesday night, but it certainly doesn't look like a big deal. Now, let's go out there about 6 days, and whoa, Nelly, are you kidding me? Look at that. You know, we've been talking about a buckle in the jet, a cold air delivery mechanism. Well, there you go. Now, this is the first time we've seen this. It'll probably be gone on the next run, but goodness gracious, look at the thickness values plunging. That'll be record cold if this is right for October. Cold front coming through here. We also note some kind of a tropical feature over the Yucatan. The next day on the 22nd, the 540 line drops all the way down to Birmingham. Wow. How about a little freeze action there, huh? And then on the 25th, the end of the cycle, thickness values come up, but it's still awfully cold in Canada. Now, whether that happens, we don't know yet. Let's watch future runs and look for trends, but interesting to see that showing up for the first time today. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so this afternoon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.